All right, thank you. Check 1, 2. All right, so this is going to be very, very interactive. So I'm going to demonstrate how I go live anytime, any place, with no preparation. I usually don't prepare. He called me, I think, was it yesterday or the day before, said, can you come speak? I didn't prepare for this. But basically, and I'm going to go through the demonstration, but I'm going to go live on my concert page, which has nothing to do with marketing, but we're going to talk about content of live and go into full detail. You're going to get so much great information that's powerful, that's going to change your company, and how to overcome some of your fears. I'm going to talk about where I came from and how I got started. So right now, I'm seeing already, I got 4 viewers. I usually start just, it's a thing that I do. I said, we're live. We're here at the, what's the name of the conference again? I always forget the name.
Dent Magic John.
Dent Magic Conference.
Mega Media.
Mega Media. All right. You caught me short notice. Mega Media Conference. And we're live talking about Facebook Live. And I want everybody to wave right here. Wave, everybody. This is all my fans. 50,000 fans for a concert venue, local business, and we're going to talk about a lot of content. So, a lot of engagement. So, what I usually do is I like to give away. You give me too much technology now.
There you go.
You know who that guy is. First, tell you about JD Legends. That's just one picture that tells you what about JD Legends.
Yeah.
This is what happens after Aaron Lewis last year, but he came back this year and it didn't happen. So a little bit about our venue. We're a multi-use complex. We have bowling, we have sand volleyball, we do concerts, we have restaurants, bars, a little bit of everything. But I still apply different types of content to my live and to my recorded videos and content. So we'll talk a lot about that. Some of the acts he talked about, of course, Aaron Lewis right there, Jamie Johnson, big Naughty by Nature, Brett Michaels. So these are a lot of big shows, big things, and everybody's going to say, oh, well, you bring in all these big talents and you're going to draw a lot on your Facebook Live. But the demonstration, the case study I'm going to go over is just a little simple event that I did. I'm not going to talk about big numbers. We did sell out Aaron Lewis in 15 minutes VIP at $175 a ticket after I went live and then announced it. And it's just the purpose of any announcement I have to make. The first thing I do is I go live. I went live yesterday with a couple of my customers getting ready to release our 2019 season concert pass. Creates a lot of buzz, so we're going to talk a lot about that. So what is the benefits of Facebook Live? Okay, number one, people comment over 10 times more on a Facebook Live video than a regular post. But I'm going to show you how to get 100 times more. It's just doing a few little things when you're live, things to say when you're going live, and it's going to change the interaction. And why do you want that? We're going to talk about why you want a lot of engagement. Facebook Live's dashboard allows you to see how many people are watching the video at any given moment. You can also get analytics, what type of demographics are watching you, so a lot more information available. It's very authentic, so people don't want to associate with a business. They want to see a face behind it. And the more you're in video, the more you do live, you look like the expert. You become a local celebrity. Literally, I can't go a single place in Dayton without somebody recognizing me. You're the JD Legends guy. I mean, I took my son to get his driver's license, and I'm hiding behind so they don't say nothing. And the lady reads his name, and she goes, are you related to the JD Legends guy? I'm the JD Legends guy. No, nobody can pronounce my name, but that's the kind of thing. But you want that because people look at you as the expert in whatever industry you're at. And there isn't a single industry, I don't care what it is, that you shouldn't be utilizing Facebook or Facebook Live. There isn't an industry. I mean, you can't, I can tell you how to use Facebook Live in any industry. Also, sharing Facebook Live requires less of your time and effort than other marketing techniques. I said I can go live anytime, anywhere, at any point with only this phone right here. That's it. And a tripod. You always want to have a tripod. Now, for my higher tech ones, I'll have a mic plugged in. I have a wide angle lens, but you don't have to be that elaborate. Just as long as you have a phone, you can go live. The content is created. I don't have to think about what I'm going to say what I'm going to do, I just go live. And it's all about practice and repetition. The more you do it, the more comfortable you become doing it. Can anybody tell me what these numbers mean? This is the average, when you make a post on Facebook, that's the average how it was in 2012. How many people seen your post of all your fans? Yep. So when you're making a post right now, only 2.5% will see your post unless you're boosting it or spending money. I'm getting over 25, 30% in doing Facebook Live. That's the power of it. Yeah. Yeah, if you have 10,000, it's 250 people only going to see it. Yeah. So the 4 steps to go live. First, how many people have gone live here? 4, 5. How many people feel comfortable going live? Or, okay, there's very few. How many people are scared to go live? Raise your hands. All right. We're going to talk about that. Okay, so I came, like, people think like I just, all of a sudden I became this person that loves to go live and is comfortable in front of a camera. Well, I'll tell you otherwise. I was the shyest kid growing up. Even till I was in college, I would not go in front of a class to speak. And 4 years ago, I spoke in front of 1,000 people. And it was just about doing it. That's it. Just push yourself to do it. And if you can't do it, find somebody else that'll do it. But you're not going to be perfect. If I show you the first video that I've ever done, it's horrible. But I didn't give up. I knew that this is the way. This is the way that's going to change your company. And if you don't do it, your competition is going to do it, and they're going to put you under. So get engaged. So the basics of it,